Hello friends, happy to see again you on my channel Learn Python by Practic. Today I wanna consider next task, detect pangram. A pangram is a sentence that contains every single letter of the alphabet at least once. This is example, you can pause video and read it. Given a string S, detect whether or not it is a pangram. Return true if it is, false if not. Ignore numbers and punctuation. Okay, first of all we create a counter. Next, our string format to lower alphabet and assign this. After this, our string to format a set in set can be only unique character without doubling. Next we create a cycle for and check if character current character is alpha, is a char, our counter plus a 1. Because our object set can contain only unique characters, another double characters automatic our set delete. For this reason our counter will equal to 26. Equal 26 if in our string we have all letters of English alphabet, and if our counter equal to 26 we return true, else we return false. Check this. all working. If you have any question, you can write it in the comments line. Thank you for your viewing. Bye bye.